Who doesn't want to have more hair? I mean, everybody wants more hair. But it's a little bit different in women than it is in men. If you look 30 years ago, guys used to come in complaining about hair thinning, hair loss, usually in their late 20s, early 30s, and there were lots of things we did and things we do. And then generally when they get to be, 50 or so, they do what I do. They do a buzz cut. They're fine. Women, whole different category. Didn't see very many women 30 years ago, but now the number of women coming in is going through the roof. And they tend to come in usually around perimenopausal periods or during menopause. So we're talking about, mid-40s, late 40s, something like that. And they're devastated by loss of hair. We've got so many treatments out there, and all of them do something, but none of them really do enough. And so what do we do? So Rogaine, topical Rogaine, has been around forever. It's over the counter. It's FDA approved. It doesn't do a lot. You go to the drugstore, get it, and put it on your scalp. Can sometimes dry the scalp. When you come into the office for hair thinning, whether it's male or female, generally the things we do include platelet-rich plasma. That's taking your growth factors and taking from your blood and sticking them in the scalp. And that sometimes helps. And we combine that with low-level light. There are a whole variety of sources out there. We like the Revion low-level light system for home. We do it in the office with even more potent low-level lights. And then sometimes we use oral medication. We use oral Minoxidil, which really is on the market to treat blood pressure, not hair, but it's out there and it does help. And then we use finasteride. So the issue with Minoxidil is it's really made for high blood pressure. And so what it does is it peaks very quickly. That's what you want for blood pressure. And then it drops quickly. And so some people who take it get a little dizzy from it because their blood pressure gets dropped. And it doesn't work that well because it drops quickly and it's not staying at a high enough dosage to create this healthy environment we want for hair. And so now there are new products that will be coming onto the market. We're involved in some of these FDA studies, and Dermix is one of those companies. They are putting out an extended release minoxidil. It's actually a higher dosage than what's currently available to treat blood pressure, but it's given over a longer period of time. So you never get these big peaks, which you don't need for hair, and therefore you don't get the dizziness that comes with it, but it lasts longer. And some of the early data that's already been published show that you can get almost 3 times the amount of hair growth from this product as compared to all the other things we do. Not on the market yet, but will be coming on the market and very exciting. And then there's one more thing, and this is a company known as Absci. Absci, this is so cool. This is an artificial intelligence company that has developed a blocker for the prolactin receptor on hair follicles. Prolactin is the hormone we know that allows women to breastfeed, that allows lactation. Well, it turns out that these receptors for this hormone are also on hair follicles. And if you block the receptors, which they have now developed a blockage for, you actually convert baby hairs into growing hairs. So the field of hair growth is exploding. The Dermix trials are going on in the US right now. The Absci trials are going on in Australia. They will be coming to the US. So much to look forward to if you want to grow hair. And I like the buzz.